Would I be willing to go to prison for 27 years for South Africa, for my family?
To be quite honest, zero. I would not spend much years in prison for my country, my family, because
27 years is my whole lifetime. You know, I've experienced so many things, I've gone through a whole lot of things, and I'm kind of enjoying my life right now.
I like the symbolism. I guess it's a beautiful symbolism of what Mandela did for the country, him and others. But it's a terribly ineffective way of influencing change, apart from the symbolism. We need more people my age and younger doing stuff in South Africa.
currently I'm actually 27 years old. So if you think about it, Nelson Mandela spent my lifetime, literally now, in prison for our freedom. How I feel about him spending time in prison 27 years, that must have been hard. What I see on TV about how prison is isn't even a true reflection of what prison is right now.
So I'm 27 years of age, and I think of the time that Mandela and the rest that have stayed in jail for their purpose and for what they believed in. I am forever grateful for what they have done, and it is never forgotten.
One thing that I am grateful for is the life that we live in now. I am grateful for all the opportunities. I'm grateful for so much. There's so much to be grateful for. But one thing I'm grateful for, it's for the old man, Tatu Rolihlahla. May his soul rest in peace. He took his time. He could have done so many things. He had a choice which has fihla dustbin njengabanye bebazifihla. He had a choice ukuthi ayenze so many other things, but he chose that he is going to go and get arrested for 27 years. For me, that we may have a brighter future, that we may have a future, an oppression, a future free.
So with me, I'm very, very, very honored getting Tata because I'm free.
It is in your hands to make of our world a better one for all.